guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy for the month of July. I think this is July Ipsy. Let me see. Yes, July Ipsy box. So let's go ahead and see what I got for the month of July. I'm really excited. I've seen other people's unboxings and I want to see if I got some of the same stuff they did. All right, so this month's box is called Dive In, and it is kind of pool oriented. We are right in the midst of summer and it is super hot, so that's very appropriate for this box. The first item I am picking out of the box is from Pur Lisse, and it is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb for $45. It says that watermelon is a perfect ingredient for your skin. I love to eat watermelon. It's really good. It has a lot of good health benefits. This particular product has vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E. It says it helps to hydrate, brighten your complexion, and rejuvenate your skin cells. Plus, aloe vera and cucumber helps to work to calm inflammation and reduces redness in your skin. That's really good. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I don't know if it's like a lotion or what kind of a product this is. I'm just gonna, I don't really like to open. Okay, it does have like a little safety seal on there, so I'm not going to completely open it up because I don't want to start the process of it kind of dissolving and going bad. But it says it's lightweight, oil-free, refreshing moisturizer. Hopefully it works really well under makeup. I'm really excited about this. Let me know if you guys have tried it and what you think about that product. The next product I have is from Naked Cosmetics. This is a $40 product, and it looks like these are eyeshadows. It says 4-piece pigment set. So you're getting 4 pigments. They're just gonna be singles once you take the little plastic protector off here. I've actually used Naked pigments before. I think I got them in just my regular Ipsy. So I just got like the singles. So it looks like I have a gold, a kind of brownish color, another like champagne color, and like almost a gray tone. It says these are loose pigments. I'm familiar with using loose pigment eyeshadow, so I'm really excited to give these a try. They all look like they are a shimmer, so there's no matte. I'm excited to try these out and see how they work out. The ones that I have gotten in the past were just singles and they worked really well, and I'm excited because it's just, I didn't realize that they came like this, so they must have just separated them out when they were sending them in the regular $10 a month Ipsy bags. So the next thing I have is from Pixi by Petra. It is the Glow Mist. This is a $15 bottle. I'm gonna be pretty honest, I haven't tried much from Pixi by Petra. I've seen a lot of people try them out. I think that their products might be really good because everybody that tries them really likes them. This is formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup. So this is a hydrating makeup setting spray. I love makeup setting spray. I like to use the hydrating ones, especially if I have a lot of powder on my face. I normally go for the Fix Plus, but if this one does the same thing as Fix Plus, that would be really nice since it's a lot cheaper than Fix Plus. So that would be something to test out and see if it's just as good as the one from Fix Plus, especially since it has really good ingredients. It says shake it up, mist on into skin before makeup and all over the face and hair. That's interesting that you can put this in your hair. I didn't know that. And it says to use throughout the day as a pick-me-up. So that's really exciting. It does seem like it has a lot of oil in it, so I'm assuming that's why you want to shake it up. I'm excited to give this a try. Let me know if you've tried this one too, because I think that looks like a really good product. So the next thing I have in here is from Huda Beauty. I'm excited to try this out. This is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette and in Golden Sand. This is a $45 value. If I can get it out, we can check it out here. It's in a really protective cover. So let's see here. All right. Oh, that's really interesting. That's actually really pretty. It's like a cover of her face there. That's pretty cool. So we're getting 4 different highlight products. It gives you instructions on the lid as to how to use it. So it tells you how to use this one all together. These actually look really pretty. I'm excited to give these a try. I've never tried any of Huda Beauty's highlighters or any of her blushes or anything like that. I've only tried some of her eyeshadows, not like the really big ones. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how this works out. I think it's going to be interesting to use all of it while putting on my makeup to see if it's going to make me look over the top, because y'all know I have really oily skin. So a lot of shimmer and shine will make me look extremely oily throughout the day. So hopefully this doesn't do that. I'm hoping that if I use a light hand, it'll be a little bit less over the top. So I'm excited to give that a try and let's see how that works out. All right, so the last thing that I have in the box is from IT Cosmetics, and it is their superhero mascara. I've gotten this in the past, and I think it was an Ipsy or maybe a Boxy Charm, and I've noticed that the one that I got before wasn't that great. This is actually a really good mascara, but the one that I got in I think it was my Boxy Charm, wasn't that great. So I'm hoping that this one will actually be a good one. This is actually a really nice mascara. I have one here that I'm trying to work through because this, for some reason, it was too weird. Like the mascara brush was picking up too mascara and it was super clumpy. I hope this one isn't like that because I do really like that mascara. That is a $24 value. So my box added up to $169 this month, which is not bad when you pay $25 for the box for the month. I also did pick up one of their brushes from their like pre-buy. So this is the Luxie brush that I got, and it is the Luxie 1010 small contour brush. So I got this here and I thought it would be really nice to really contour in areas and get around my face a little better, because I love the one that we got here, the foundation airbrush. So I decided to pick this one up because I love this brush that came in. I think that was the one of the Ipsy boxes, or maybe it came in Boxy Charm, I can't remember, but I had to pick this up when I seen it because it was only $3 and I thought it would be really cool to try it out. So that was everything I got in my box. Let me know what you guys got in your box this month. I'm excited to see everybody's products that they get, because Ipsy does send other different type of products for everybody, so it's nice. It's not all the same stuff. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions and I will talk to you later. Bye bye.